Is your Camaro key fob not working? Let's get straight to fixing it. First, the most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. Replace it. Positive side up. No programming needed for just a battery swap. Here's a diagram showing how to replace the battery. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be relearned, meaning it has lost its synchronization with your car, especially in 2010 to 2015 models. For 2010-2015 Camaros, cycle the ignition 10 times rapidly, then press the lock button. Newer models, 2016 plus, may require a scan tool or dealer visit, but try cycling the ignition and using unlock lock button sequences. Remember, recent software updates, specifically in 2021 to 2023 models, have caused key fobs to lose sync. If you have had a recent OnStar update and your key fob isn't working, your Camaro might have been part of the 2024 recall. If a new battery and relearning don't solve the problem, the receiver module in your Camaro might be faulty. This module, usually near the body control module under the dash, can fail due to water damage or corrosion. A temporary fix is to disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes to reset the receiver. If the fob works intermittently, receiver replacement is likely needed, costing $100 to $200 for the part. Look to the future. Physical key fobs are becoming less critical, as smartphone key features are included in about 40% of new Camaro sales. Chevrolet plans to introduce fully app-based keys around 2027 to 2028, potentially making physical fobs obsolete. Remember to check your BCM codes with an OBD2 scanner to diagnose other potential issues.